Welcome back to Epic Travels, where we explore the most breathtaking places on Earth. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the heart of luxury and innovation, Dubai Marina. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future adventures. Now, let's explore the top 5 things you can do at the Dubai Marina. The beach. Marina boasts 2 family-friendly gems, the beaches at Jumeirah Beach Residence. From inflatable water parks to camel rides, there's fun for everyone. And when the sea calls for a break, Jumeirah Living Marina Gate's 23-meter infinity pool offers a cool oasis surrounded by lush foliage and breathtaking ocean views. Dubai Marina Promenade. Take a leisurely stroll along the palm-lined promenades of Dubai Marina. The broad boulevards provide the perfect backdrop for scenic walks or invigorating jogs. Explore the cosmopolitan canal side on a bicycle, passing super yachts and vibrant markets. Experience the vibrant energy of Zero Gravity Beach Club and soak in the beauty of the marina. Dubai Marina Skyline. Marvel at the architectural wonders of Dubai Marina, home to the world's tallest block of skyscrapers. Towering over 300 meters, these structures, from the iconic Princess Tower to the elegant Cayenne Tower, create a jaw-dropping skyline. Though residential, their sheer scale is a sight to behold, perfect for capturing on camera. Dubai Marina Mall. For a taste of luxury, shop at Dubai Marina Mall. Spanning 4 floors, the mall offers a range of stores from haute couture to high street fashion. Explore marbled halls adorned with organic beauty brands and bespoke jewelers. Indulge in waterside cafes, restaurants, and catch the latest Hollywood hits at the 6-screen Reel Cinemas. Marina Canal. As the day winds down, embark on a sunset cruise along Marina Canal and Palm Lagoon. Sip champagne aboard a luxury boat and witness the breathtaking sight of the sun setting behind the city skyline. Pass iconic landmarks like the Burj Al Arab and the Grand Gate of the Atlantis, while super yachts dot the tranquil waters. For those seeking an extended experience, longer cruises offer a night of dancing under the smartly lit skyscrapers, reflected on gentle waves. And that's a wrap on our journey through the stunning Dubai Marina. We've strolled along the Dubai Marina Promenade, marveled at the Dubai Marina skyline, shopped at the Dubai Marina Mall, and enjoyed the serene Marina Canal. We even had a relaxing day at the beach. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss our epic travels.